Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. So, as you see it, my friend, it might that one is going to come down and to break that one here, to touch it here. Then after that, it will go in upward to the overbought area, my friend. But there is no going upward unless if it's breaking for us that last high, that one here. Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So, if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find a red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that. And you're going to be notified every time when also you're putting a new video. So go ahead and do it. You've done it. And please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So, without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. Again, we came to you, my friend, in another video. By the way, if you see here, what else we tell you yesterday, we tell you to enter from here. The price, it went till here. So, it's hitting for you the target. The target I told you to be here. So, it hit it for you. So, you're taking profit. And now, my friend, as you see that candle here, it's breaking the lower of the triangle as we drawing before. But is it at that level here, that level as we drawing before that one? So let's see now if it's going to hold or not. And by the way, there is today at 7 o'clock, there is a FOMC meeting, not 7, I think 6 o'clock of GMT time. It's going to be the FOMC meeting or minute. So be aware of that one. Maybe that one is going to drop that Bitcoin to go higher than that. So be aware of those things, my friend. Everything is too clear. And here, as you see it, here, we still have that divergence, my friend, as I showed it to you before, here and here. And because me, I draw it from that red to here, like that. So that one here in the volume is showing also divergence. But till now, there is no buying, no selling, my friend. Let's see what's going to happen in that minute or that FOMC minute. Then after that, we will update you, my friend, when the daily candle finishes, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it's breaking up. Then it's being a fake breakout. Now we are going down. And another thing, if you see here, if you remember what me I used to have here like that. We used to have here a trend line like that. So let's see if now it's going to touch it like that here. Then after that, we're going upward. Let's draw it together for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. So we came from here. Then we draw it like that. I need to fix it a little bit, but it's okay. Now, like that. So as you see it, my friend, it might, that one is going to come down and to break that one here, to touch it here. Then after that, it will go in upward. The overbought area, my friend, but there is no going upward unless if it's breaking for us that last high, that one here. Me, I'm talking here only about that indicator, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, the people that are in my course, my investing Bitcoin course, they know what me I'm talking about. All those things, they are very well explained in that course. But if you are new here and you want that course, is it down in the first comment, my friend, with 85% coupon link. So the course is not expensive, it's only $13, my friend, if you want it. So let's continue, my friend. And our other indicator, my friend, as you see it, also still here. I told you it will go in upward, my friend. Now, yes, it's going to happen now, a correction or something. Then after that, it will go in upward, my friend. Now, as I tell it to you before, in the previous video, if you don't watch it, go back and watch it, my friend. I told you we are going to see if that zone here hold. If it's not, it's going to drop till here. If it's not, my friend, and that one, no one wanted, it's going to fall down till here, till where it starts in the start of everything, till here, my friend, at 19K or something. So let's wait in now what's going to happen, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to us. So, my friend, let's go in now to the 4 hours to show you more what is it there. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, it's breaking for us that triangle here, as you see it here. It break it for us. So now we need to come to calculating from here, like that, till here. Then we bring the triangle of us. We bring it here, where it's being broken. It's being broken here. So as I tell it to you in the previous video, in the previous analysis, my friend, I told you it's going to drop till here, till that zone here. So let's draw in there a line or something. So my friend, as you see it, but till now there is nothing confirmed yet, my friend. I'll tell it to you in the previous video. If you don't watch it, go back and watch it. I'll tell you, my friend, also here, maybe that level here is going to hold stronger. Then after that, it will go in upward. Maybe that one is going to be just a fake breakout, my friend, because if you see here, if you bring in from that red candle, that one to that one, the chart is still giving you here, and the volume, it's giving you here a divergence, my friend, like that and like that. As you see it, my friend, in front of you. So I think when the 4-minute came, all that, it will go in upward, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see, my friend, our indicator, what it's showing to us here. First, we enter in here in the orange. So that's what me I told you. Maybe from here or maybe from that level here. That level of 22,400, my friend. Here, if you don't know how to draw it, here, that one and that one, you draw them. That one is going to hold, my friend. Then after that, from there, it will go in upward again. Bitcoin is well still going upward, my friend. Now, that's something normal to happen correction because nothing happening, just going up. So now what's my view to it? My view to it, I told you, maybe it's going to hold here in that zone. And that one is going to come down till here. It's going to be red. Then after that, it will go in upward. Or another scenario, my friend. That one is going to drop till that level or that zone here, as you see it. And that one here, that indicator of us, is going to come here to the oversold area. Then after that, you enter long, my friend. Then after that, it will go in upward again. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture? So that's it for 4 hours. Let's go into 30 minutes to show you what is it there, my friend. Here we are, my friend, in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes last night, what did I told you? I told you to enter from here. And I told you to take the profit here in that zone, here. Or I told you we got here a supply and demand zone here. If you remember what did I told you, and you can find it in the last video, my friend, it's still there. So if you enter from here, from that zone here, till here, how much will that you make, my friend? Let's see it. 2.96%, my friend. It's not even 1 day. And that channel now, I think, let's make it here now to see if it's going to work here. Yes, it's working here. As you see it, my friend, that channel here in 30 minutes. As you see it, was it given us? The price, it went up, it touched it here. That's a new channel, not the old one. It went up, it touched it. Then it went down, it touched it. Now, and as I told you yesterday here, what did I told you yesterday? I told you we got here a head and shoulder here. So when it's being broken, my friend, here, you calculating from here to here, and you do it like that. Let's say it was near to bring it for you, or it bring it for you. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. Now, as you see it, my friend, it touching the lower of the channel. Or maybe from now it will go in upward till here, or maybe not. Because now, as you see it, it's breaking for us that 4 hours triangle, that one. Or maybe now it will go in up to touch it from here again. Then after that it will drop. I told you maybe it's going to drop till here. Or maybe, my friend, where we are now, it will go in upward again. Because as I told you, the fomic mething is coming, my friend. So be aware of those things. Everything in front of you, my friend. And down here in the volume, it's still giving me, my friend, a divergence as you see it here. And as you see it here, my friend. In the volume, it's giving a divergence. It's giving me here, as we are going up here in the 30 minutes and in the 4 hours. But till now, nothing confirmed yet, my friend. So let's see the daily candle when it's finished. Then we're going to update you what's going to happen, my friend. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see, my friend, our indicator last night, what did I told you? Told you to enter from here. If you enter from here, over here will have you take the profit, my friend. And it's being here at the overbought area. Now, my friend, as you see it, where we are now at the oversold area. The only thing here hasn't become red, but maybe from here it's going to go upward. The only thing, if you enter now, my friend, if you enter now, you put an order here, a pending order here, and the stop loss, you put it down here. the take profit, you put it here at that level, or you got here another level here, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So that's it for today's video, my friend. See you in the daily candle. Finish it, my friend. Bye for now.